your girl Lydia Wendy's and you're welcome on my channel. If you like the look that you're looking at right now, stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a look that I've been waiting so much to show you. It's an eye look. So I'm going to start off with the pink, and I'm going to take it there like that. Alright guys, from the Creative palette, I went in with that pink. That's the pink on my eyes right now. So right now I'm going to go in with that yellow over there, and I'm going to take it, I've just put my brush into the pink, but it's okay. I'm going to dab the yellow on top of the pink. So I'm going to dab it, yeah. Just half of that pink is going to go into the yellow. Actually, I realized that when you tap, it sticks faster than when you swipe. It's something that I never thought of. I tried it last time, my last video, and it worked for me. So I'm just keeping up with that. It's something new that I just learned. I used to tap, but I did not know that it's quick. I've never taken it seriously. Like, when you don't believe in something, you don't do it anyways. I'm gonna go in with the blue from the Creative palette, and that is the blue over there. I'm gonna take it in my crease, the other half of the crease, right there. Blend it into the pink and take it. Yeah, it's a beautiful blue. I like it. I usually use it. And go with the blue on this side and take it. I think on the other side was too big, but it's okay. Yeah, this blue is quite thick. It never disappoints me actually. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the green, and that green is over here. I love it. I usually use it actually. If you follow the rest of my videos, I've used the green a lot more times than just this time. And I'm gonna take it over there. This time I'm gonna. But I'm a bit faint-handed with this green because it's not a light color to start with. It's not like the yellow. So much as I want it there, I still want it there. It is a dark color, so we're gonna have to be careful how we use it. Yeah, the colors are sticking on much better than every day. Could play with these colors all day. It's really fun. So I'm going to interlock it with the yellow a bit, like that. And just take it a little bit farther into the yellow. So with that very palette, I think I'm going to go in with that yellow. Do you know what? The first one was a yellow, but this one is also a different yellow. And I don't feel like using the same yellows because these are two different departments. We're having two different breaks. So I was thinking if I use a different yellow, it will make a difference, because to be honest with you, this is a different yellow. And yeah, I don't want to put a dark color here, and I felt like the yellow is safe because it's going to create me a light green over there as well. Yeah, because you can see the yellows are different, so they're not the same. So me changing palettes wasn't in vain. These yellows are different. Much as I've used one, I still need another one. It's going to create me a lime green over there, just next to the green. So beautiful. Look at it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah. So you see, we're getting a different effect. I'm gonna go to the next eye and do the same thing, and I'm gonna use this yellow to set my concealer because I already prepped, so we're good. I'm gonna use the Revolution palette. It's called Reloaded Passion for Colors, and that's the palette over there. When I bought it, I was really in love with it. Like, I wanted it very badly. So I have it now, and I'm gonna use a purple. Yeah, I agreed to use a purple. This purple, and we take it in. I'm gonna use the Revolution Crease Canvas. It's in white. Blend it in, drag it over. With the purple, I'm gonna go back here and just bring my corner back, that little corner, and let it come back in there. From the Revolution Fall Frenzy Creation. It's called the Intensely Pigmented Fall Shadow Palette. It's right there. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go in with right here. So we go in there. And when I saw this from Revolution, I didn't think it was gonna work, but surprisingly, just keep watching. Put that. Oh my goodness, this. Alright, lovely people, with the Revolution Reloaded Passion for Colors, I'm going to go in with a green. In fact, that green is the reason why I bought this palette. I loved it from the first time I saw it. So I'm going to use it now. I'm really excited to use it. It's the reason why I got the palette to start with. I just bought it because of this one green. So I'm going to put it there. I'm excited about blues, but I think I might squeeze in a blue somewhere. I feel like I should be putting blue somewhere, but let's do this and see how it goes. The NYX Ultimate palette, I'm gonna go in with one of the beautiful blues over there. It's one of my favorite in this palette. I love it. I'm gonna put it in that bit. Alright. There, like that. I'm gonna go into that corner and do the same thing. I'll go ahead with the blue next to the purple. I'm only doing a number 7, honestly. I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel Wonder Swipe. It's called 2-in-1 eyeliner and ombretto. It's in purple, so I'm gonna go in with that, and then I'm gonna go in with that. I'm gonna go in with that Rimmel mascara. It's called the Volume Colorist. It is black, and yeah, let's see what it does. Let's see how thick it is, or how I need to take the colors out of my lashes right now, because my lashes are not exactly black, so we need to get rid of that, and then we take it from there. This is the Barry M. It's called the Bold Silver Waterproof Eyeliner. I've used that to go into my concealer, the Revolution concealer, the white one, because I felt like we needed that glow. So I've used that to go in with that and just keep the line going, because remember I did a double cap crease, so we left a little space of concealer, and I'm just going in with that to emphasize that line. I'm gonna conceal my face. It's color on my face. The color is from the from the shadow, so we can conceal that. And yeah, that's it. That's all that I want to do, just that. And I'm gonna use the primer contour and just go in like that. Oh my goodness, that was very big over there. Oh, I think I overdid it. Alright, sometimes it's just way overboard. That's how much I want to do. Put the rest of it around her, just a little bit of it going around there. Yeah. So I just want a little bit on there, just a little bit from the brush, because really I just didn't want to have too much today. I just wanted that much there. Alright guys, using the PS Peach In blush. It's for Primark. It's called PS Peach In highlighter. Yeah, I'm gonna use that to go around my cheeks like that. So just give it a glow. Actually, I just want a little bit going down there like that. More than enough, I can see. With my favorite Freedom palette, the Pro Blush palette, I'm gonna go in with that one and this one. So I'm gonna put it all over my blush. Around there. Oopsie, that was a lot. Yeah, I still went in with my favorite Pro Blush because I felt like there was nothing. Yeah, because I can see this now. But I go in with the Purple Silver, and I'm gonna take it on my chin over there. Somehow I go back to my favorite, and then just in the middle of the head, I'm gonna go in there, but very carefully. I've got my yellow there. I wanted to show too. With the MAC lipstick, is the matte Stone A66, right? Is it 66 or something? I'm gonna go in with that. It was already on, but it was fading out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press the like button, don't forget to press the notification button if you'd like to be notified every time there's a new video. Bye.